Impact of changes in technology on capital budgeting decisions. Generally, it is being observed that making capital budgeting decisions involve evaluating the proposal of monetary terms, that is, quantitative values and normal fails to consider crucial factors, that is, qualitative factors that can affect the future cash flow. One of such factors is technology. It is important to note that there we are not simply taking about decision to replace existing machinery with a new machine, but having to improve the technology rather we are taking about the impact of technology changes on capital budgeting. So நம்ம இருக்க மிஷின் அப்படியே மாத்தல. We are not changing the existing mission, but rather than we are changing the whole technology of how the machines work. Now the question arise why it is important to analyze the impact of change in the technology, and because of the following reasons. Change in technology can significantly alter the production process. Yeah, bro. After changing technology, we get 100. Before the change in technology, we had 100 now. After changing technology, we had 1,000 now. That is a great change. Changes can also yield benefit such as improved quality, deliver time, greater flexibility. We have a good quality at a very reduced time means that's a very great thing. Change in technology can also result in reduction in cost of capital. Yeah. Example, to produce this amount of steel, we required this much amount of units of current to produce this quality of steel. The same quality of steel can be produced by this less quantity of heat. The heat has been efficiently used. No, that is great. No? Improved cash inflow can be achieved through technology changes. How does improved cash inflow can achieve through technology changes? Improved cash inflow. Example, technology has increased. Okay, everyone has UPI rather than before we have the delivery of cash. Now UPI payment, every sales we have through technology, every sale we get the cash instantly before delivery. So now the cash which we time of sale to cash, it was 45 days, now became 45 seconds. After production, we store stock on the website. These we have this many stocks. Suddenly, clients are purchasing through online technology, and people are making the payment early. Technology. People are making the payment for delivery too. Technology. There is no cash involved with us, no burden on us. So directly the profit is being booked at the day of production itself. Production completion stage, we get the money. That is technology. There may be needed to incur additional costs in form of additional capital expenditure. Um, mm, the sale volume. So additional cash to be in the form of additional capital expenditure. Okay, whatever the expense we have made, I will give a clear definition. Wait a minute. The additional cost, example, if a new technology comes out, environment pollution has been reduced, the emission is being reduced by this new technology. So additional capital expenditure, but at the same time we get additional depreciation. Even we have additional depreciation, not only additional capital expenditure, we get additional depreciation if for these industries which install these kind of in equipments, which is a total advance in government may give a subsidies like government may give additional depreciation, allow additional depreciation. 100% depreciation is going to 200% depreciation. It's profit, na? Sweet. A sale volume can be impacted as the anticipated life cycle of product can be shortened because of change in consumer preference. Yeah, we have an if we able to anticipate the sale volume, we are producing this volume every day, 100 prices, and but if we able to predict it, example, if season has been divided, this season this production this much unit required, this season the production will be used for a little more time. This prediction has been done by the technology means as per the technology the machine can produce. We don't need to run the machine every year to bring the stock in that year. Short span of time, the machine can produce such a quantity, then the technology is able to adapt and understand the user's requirement and able to increase its productivity and increase the efficiency and maintain the efficiency. Then it's good, na? So Now, next question arises how they incorporated the impact of capital budget initiatives. For this purpose, very necessary that one project has been launched, it should be reviewed on continuous basis and required need to be revised in light of changes in technology. Yeah, when the project being changes, we find some mistakes. That mistakes should be updated, upgraded ourselves. That to be done. Various ways in which impact of change in technology can be incorporated in capital budgeting decisions as follows. At time of making capital budget decisions, a risk of change in technology should be considered using various techniques such as sensitive analysis, scenario analysis, simulation analysis. So these three analyses are into sensitive analysis, scenario analysis, and simulation analysis we use to find this capital budgeting. Once a project has been launched, analyze the impact of change in technology, both positive, negative, and revise the estimate in monetary items. Okay. Once launched, we need to see how positive you get the result, negative your result, and revise the estimate or revise the output, revise the estimate. So we have a budget now. The budget we should estimate it. If continuation of the project is provided with the unviable, then look for abandonment option and evaluate the same. Continuing continuation projects proving to be unavailable. So once if the technology can see this project is not going to give great good to us, then what will happen? We need to also see the abandoned option. We need to leave the thing. That is also a good budgeting also and suitable option for discounting Fahrenheit. Yeah. Current how much out of the output, how much is the current value of the future money? We should see the discount rate also. That is also a very good thing.